Gotta be clean.
It's about time for us to get out.
Getting up.
We haven't used the shampoo. You wanna want me to try it?
It's time for him to get up. You ain't got time.
Yeah.
Hey, Poopy.
You don't flip as much. Sitting like that.
Yeah, you got that good hump. Hey, Poopy. What are you doing? What you doing, sonny? You trying to work that head? Work that head, son. Alright. Papa love you. Show you what you're trying to do. See you later. So bye-bye to everybody. Say it, Mom.
What's wrong?
Ooh, look at that face.
What's wrong?
Mm.
Oh.
Ooh. Super zoom. Bye-bye.